Hey, what's up, guys? Um, it's been a long time since I've done anything with this channel. I know. Um, Not that I haven't been too interested in K-pop, but I've been busy with life and everything, so I couldn't really watch anything. I know I'm horrible. But at least now, if one of the groups has a concert near where I live, I can drive there now. And I have the money to get it because I drive in a car. So many of y'all don't know. I don't know if you guys follow my Google thing. I haven't been on that either for a long time. But I'm an instructor at my family-owned martial arts academy. Um, and we've been doing it for, well, I've been training in martial arts for about 9 years and been instructing for about maybe 7 of those years. Long story short, the instructor that we were training under, he wanted to shut the studio down so that he could go and go back to college and stuff. But we didn't want, like, my family didn't want that because we wanted to continue training and be like Naruto. um, yeah. So we bought the studio from him, and now we are still doing martial arts. Um, so for the next 30 days, um, we uh we as instructors have what's that word? Proposed a 30-day challenge to our students to see if, well, not to see, but to challenge our students and everything. And I'm also doing the challenge. What mine is the 180-degree split kick and the butterfly twist. Those are two things I want to complete within the next 30 days. And I may or may not be documenting that, or, for progress reasons. I'm not sure. But, yeah. Well, it's been a long time, and I've grown up, got my teeth fixed, and, I'll see you later. Bye.